You love sin? Man, you're gonna die by the sin.
People, how you doing today? Yes, this is not a dance party, and then whoa, we are in the kitchen. But guess what? You are on to stagethem TV, and this is our how-to series where we teach you how to do various stuff. I have many awesome how-to videos on this channel. My name is Recipe-2020, and this is stagethem TV. And guess what? If you've not subscribed to our channel, I need you to go right down now to the red subscribe button and click on the subscribe button, please. Because when you do, you make me happy, and I'm so happy that you've done just that. Thank you very much. And then, you know what? You can get notified whenever we drop any of our how-to videos or our comedy videos by clicking on the bell notification right up there. Yeah, it goes. And then you know when we drop a video. So today, what am I doing in the kitchen? I'm about to teach you how to make peeled jollof beans. Beans, you know beans? But this is called peeled jollof beans. Peeled jollof beans is a fantastic recipe I learned from my mama some decades ago, and I'm about to take it worldwide because I've never seen it on the internet. But guess what? This stuff is delicious and healthy and simple to make. I'm going to show you the 4 or 5 steps to get it done. So right about now, I need you to get your paper, your pen. If you need to take pictures, you need to download the video. Just get ready because the steps are simple, but you got to get it right. And we got to get straight to the cooking now. Whoa, I think I didn't get the beans. Oh, gotta go.
I want to hear some men. Just records.
Money mowajo, mowajuba.
I'm gonna show you the simple steps to make peeled jollof beans, a special recipe that I learned from my mom. Trust me, when you start this, you'll be hooked on it. You're not eating any beans again. You're not tasting any beans again that is not peeled. And with this particular recipe, be sure to subscribe, like us, share the video, let others know what they can benefit from this wonderful peeled jollof beans tutorial. So here's the beans. I'm just gonna open it right now, and you're gonna need to put some water, and then you're gonna have to soak it for a while to soften it, after which you start the peeling. So we're gonna get onto that right now. When you're making this particular menu, this recipe, you don't need to pick the beans because you're going to be adding water, and when you add water, then most of the particles will float and you still end up getting them out of the beans. So this is a tutorial. In case you're just joining us, this is a tutorial for making peeled jollof beans. Peeled jollof beans. If you're on our channel for the first time, this time you subscribe, share, let others enjoy this recipe that you're about to learn. Make sure you share with your friends, subscribe to our channel for many other how-to series, how-to videos that we shoot on this channel. So we're gonna add water. Yes. And when we add water, we're just gonna let it you can see the dirt are floating, and we're gonna pick them out. Just gonna pick, and now the beans is swelling up. You can see it's getting softer too, and then so we're gonna go to the next phase now, which is the peeling. Now to peel, you just need to rub the beans against each other like this. You can use one hand, you can use 2 hands. I'm using one hand right now because my other hand is holding the camera. What you want to do is make sure that every single bean seed in here has its skin peeled off, just like this, like you can see. That's your aim. You want to make sure that every single bean seed in your pot comes out like this, peeled. You need to make sure that every of them is peeled, so you can use in one hand, you can use two hands. I wish I could use two hands and let you see, but basically when you're using two hands, you're just scrubbing it. This is what you're doing. You're making sure you're rubbing them against each other. You need to scrub it. You need to scrub it like that. Okay. You scrub it so you can see that it's scrub it hard like that. And you keep doing that till the whole pot and all the seeds have their skin peeled. That's your aim. So when you peel it for a while, you add some water. You add some water so you can get the peeled skin out. And what you need to do is you need to get something like this. You can see it's available in the market. It's a sieve. You need to get that, and then you put it over a bowl or something, and you need to turn this round a bit and then pour that into the bowl. You pour that right into the bowl carefully, so you can see you have some skin sieved out already, and then you start the process again. So you pour the water back in there, and then you start the process of peeling it. So you continue this till you have a whole pot of peeled beans, and that is when the cooking gets started. So I'm just gonna get on with that now, and I'll be back with you once the beans are peeled. Okay, see you around. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share this with your friends, your loved ones. We're teaching you how to make peeled jollof beans, a fantastic Nigerian recipe. So at the end of the day, this is what you have. Yes, that's the peeled beans you have right there. That's what we're going to get into cooking now, and that's what we peeled out of it right there. So we're going to dispose of this, and we're going to get right into our cooking. So come with me now as we get into the cooking of our peeled jollof beans. Ready for this? Are you ready for this? Let's go now. So now that we're done with the beans, you're going to need two major ingredients. The two major ingredients you're going to need grounded pepper. That's the liquid pepper right here, and then you're going to need palm oil. Other than that, you'll be needing your normal onions and your spices. Your spices, your seasoning, depending on whether you do artificial or natural seasoning, just to make it tasty. But these are the basic things you'll be needing for this particular recipe, the peeled jollof beans. And we're about to get right into it. I'm about to start the cooking now. You ready for me? Shetty ready, bye, because you're gonna be licking your mouth by the time I'm done, So right now we've moved the beans into the bigger pot, for it to cook for about 20 minutes, because you've peeled the beans. It's gonna cook faster, it's gonna get softer faster. So 20-25 minutes tops, we should be done we should be ready to add. We should be done and ready to add the ingredients to it. So you're just gonna cover it right now. You're just gonna cover it. So just let it steam. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please, this is the time to do so right now while the fire is cooking. Just subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Because when you subscribe, we do more. Whoa, you can see right now that our peeled beans is boiling, and we just need it to boil a little bit more, let it soften a little bit more, and then the water needs to be almost at the level of the beans, so you don't have a very liquid, you need your beans paste to be thick, to have the feel of the peeled jollof beans that I want to achieve, So we need to cover it over again right now. let it just boil a little more. When you open, you find out that some of the beans are at the side of the pot. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. And there. Yeah, so we've achieved level 1 now. You can see the water level and the beans level is almost at the same height. So we're just gonna start with the oil now. Okay, so we have our oil. We're just gonna pour that in. Okay, you can see that. Okay, that's okay. And we're gonna stir. We're gonna stir that. Stir it in. Stir it in. Any part of the beans that is stuck at the side of the pot. Allow the oil to just boil with the beans. Put a little more oil right there, a little more oil, and just allow it boil. So next will be our pepper. It's gonna go in right there. You can see the pepper right here. We're just gonna pour that. You can see the pepper right there. We're just gonna pour that into for a good paste feel. Yeah. And what's the essence of jollof without nice, tasty pepper? So right now I'm just gonna add my salt and some other things. But before that, I'm just going to let it boil a little bit more. Then I'll come back in and get my onions and my salt and my other seasoning right in there. So we're just going to cover it and let it steam a bit. Let the oil and the pepper, let it mix together and let it steam with the beans. So we're just going to cover it for a bit now. Yeah, we're getting there. You know, getting there. Okay, here we are. Now we're gonna add the seasoning. Yes, I've got my seasoning right here. I've got the onions, the salt. I've got my cubes. So I'm just gonna pour them in and then stir right here, right now. Here we are. Here we go. Okay. So here, there you go. And let's shake a bit up. Let's shake a bit up. Yes, okay. And then we need to stir this right now. Yes, so you need to stir it. After adding your seasoning, you need to stir it up. Stir it up. And then what you need to do now is wait. Just let this boil till this paste here is almost solid. So it's steaming right now, and we're just gonna give it some time, and we'll come right back at you. The peeled jollof beans is almost set. In about 10-15 minutes, we should be good to go. Yeah, our peeled jollof beans is almost done. Then one more thing, if you're like me and you love some filling of fish in your jollof, we're just gonna add some fish here. Yeah, right here. We're just gonna add that to the mix, and then I'm just gonna pour that in right now. And here we go. And then what do we do next? You know, what do we do next? What do we do next? What do we do? How do we do next? Is we stir it. You can see it's getting pasty now. Yeah, it's almost done. In another 3 minutes, this should be off the fire. And yeah, there we go. Peeled jollof beans. Next, you're gonna see it on the dish with my choice toppings, and good to go. Alright, so do you have any questions? Do you have any questions about the steps, about the process? If you have any questions at all you'd like me to attend to, just comment down below in the comment section of the video and I'll get back to you. Making this recipe is very simple and it has an amazing taste. You will love it. Rich in protein, very rich in protein, and I added some fish to it too for fuel. You can take it with anything. You can take it with rice, you can take it with bread, you can take it with plantain, you can take it alone. And if you're in Africa, you can take it with gari, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, this is Recipe-2020 and I'm signing out. This is stagethem TV. If you've not subscribed to our station, you should do right now, because there's nowhere else you're going to see how to make peeled jollof beans. It's not anywhere else on YouTube, on the internet. This is the first ever, and I would like you to subscribe right now, because we're going to be dropping more videos better than this, like this, that you will enjoy, teaching you how to do various stuffs, you know. So subscribe right now, hit the bell notification, so that when we have a new video, you're one of the first people to watch it, okay? So I'm going to be dishing this out right now, and then maybe if you can, you might come over and join me. That would be nice. And yummy. Here we go. Don't you wish your beans were sweet like mine? Don't you wish your beans was hot like mine? Don't you? Don't you? Looking all yummy. This is lovely. Whoa. That's a peeled jollof beans. I'm taking mine with some plantain, dodo, and with some fish right here. And you could join me, or you could just watch the video again and learn to make this. Peeled jollof beans in the house. Lovely, right? Lovely, lovely. Yeah. So I'm sure you've enjoyed this video. Please, if you're watching this for the first time or you've not subscribed, right now is the time to do just that. We'd like you to just subscribe to our channel, stagethem TV, by clicking the red subscribe button below this video pane, and up above on your right you see the bell notification icon. Click that so that you can get to know when we drop new how-to videos. This is a video on how to make peeled jollof beans, and it's looking so lovely. This is Recipe-2020 and I'm signing out. Stagethem TV. See you around. Bye now.
I wanna hear some man. Just records.
Money mo wajo, mo waju ba.